YouTube, morning. What's going on? Let me take this off. Nah, I don't drive with my mask on. I'm just playing, guys. How's everybody doing on this Monday morning? I am out here working as usual. I don't know if you guys heard, we had a little hurricane, tropical storm that was coming towards us. It pretty much passed us. We got a little bit of rain, a little bit of wind, but we're all good. Today I wanted to talk about online presence because I had a lot of customers last week. When I always ask customers, how'd you hear about us, or how'd you inquire us, or whatever the case may be. And a lot of people had said to me, oh, you have a great online presence, like you have great reviews and blah blah. So I'm like, okay, that's what's up. Before, I always used to ask customers, and usually people say, oh, the internet or Yelp or this or that, so. But for instance, I had a job. Well, actually, I have to go finish the job today. It was a customer with a Frigidaire fridge, SYCE error code, ended up being the main control board. And initially, when she had the issue, she called Frigidaire. Frigidaire gave her a list of companies. Obviously, I'm not on that list, but she looked up those companies, and they all had kind of horrible reviews. So she was looking, and she found me, called me up, and everything went well after that. But when I asked her that, she was like, yeah, you just had great reviews and great online presence. And shout out to Yelp, because Yelp, if you go to my Yelp page, you'll say I have 2 reviews. But Yelp is weird, which I know I have like 9 reviews on Yelp, but they like to tell you that the others aren't credible reviews because I guess the people they're not on Yelp all the time, which is weird, but okay, I'll take that. So as long as I get calls to them, that's fine, because I don't pay them anything. They just I just get calls to them here and there. So, but anyway, it's definitely for me, and like I said last video, I will make sure I'll refund the customer the full job if anything happens, to make sure I keep my reputation good online. Because whether if it's for COD customers or for warranty customers, it's just good to have great reviews. And like I probably told you guys last video as well, I integrated my reviews on my website. Oh, and also my online booking has been doing great. I mean, we've been getting at least 1 or 2 calls every single day just from the online booking, and it's just, I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. But like I tell people, just from my experience, is that the more in business you are and the more you do good work, the more work will come to you, because I'm just seeing it. I'm seeing how my COD exponentially went up over this year, and I'm pretty sure you guys know, if you're working as much as I am. I mean, since this COVID thing has happened, it's just been busy, non-stop busy. Like I've had to tone it down, or like my warranty jobs, just because I'm not trying to be overbooked, or not trying to do so much every day. And I still only do 6 to 8 calls a day. I really don't try to push it past that, because I don't have to. Once you're working for yourself and you're doing a certain amount of jobs, as long as you make what you want to make, then that's fine. But if you want to, I guess, expand and do more, you got to get those jobs in so you can hire people and do what you got to do. I don't know, since this whole Corona thing has been going on, I kind of pushed that to the back burner and just focus on doing what I got to do out here, and staying safe and whatnot. But definitely something I can do. But as you guys know, and I said in the past, it's all right. I'm not pushing it in that fact right now. I love working on my own and doing what I got to do. But like I said, that your online presence is a big thing. Now I know guys that have paid for advertising, paid companies to do their SEO. When you get a lot of people can do it themselves, but I know time is everybody doesn't have the time to do certain things. Just like me, I don't have a lot of time to do certain things either. So just keeping up with this YouTube stuff, and just you got to live life. That's just pretty much what it is. Live life, do the things you want to do. Yeah, I'm like Mike Sneed. I go on a vacation every quarter, man. I'm trying to enjoy life as much as possible. And shout out to everybody, you know, Appliance Bootcamp, TMM. Oh, make sure y'all check out Brandon's Brother B's new shirts. I just caught me one. It's very, very nice. I like it. It's got appliance repair, live by the gun, die by the gun, but it's an infrared gun. So y'all check that out. He's got socks and hoodies and all that. So we got to support each other, especially in the appliance repair field, man. It's like we all we got. But yeah, so I just wanted to make the video quick. Didn't want to make it too long. Let you guys know I'm all good. Still busy. I'm booked out till Thursday so far this week, meaning there's at least 6 calls on almost every day. So that's just how it is sometimes. And I always leave. Why I say I do 6, because you never know if you have a recall. You know, there might be a job you want to add on in the area that you're working in. So that's just me personally, you know. I mean, I've been doing this for a long time, and long gone are the days where I'm doing 8 to 10 calls or plus that a day. When I was working for a company, that was all good, but you know, not now. But what I'm gonna do is I wanted to show you guys at the end of this video. I'm gonna probably add it in. When I was working for another company, how during a hurricane the van saved my car. I'm just gonna put probably a couple pictures up. And shout out to all my friends, my tech friends, and you know, hope you guys are doing good, working good, getting money. That's how it is out here. My first job is a GE dryer, not coming on, which is, you know, those are the lovely jobs, man. To me, any dryer job, any washer job, even certain fridges jobs, it depends, because you know, fridges, there's a whole different dynamic when it comes to fridges. But a lot of jobs tend to be more or less easy nowadays. It all depends what you're working on, you know. But when I see a dryer no heat, that to me is an easy job. So yep, pulling up now. So someone asked me, can I do a video on I guess going into people's houses or doing a diagnostic, but it's kind of hard to do that, because a lot of the customers that I have are they don't like that, you know. They don't like to do that. Like, for instance, like this house I'm at now, I don't know if you guys can see it before I get out of here. Very, very, yeah, sorry the vid cut off, but yeah, this is the house I'm at now. Very nice house. But every house on this block is nice, you know. And that's one thing. I love working in areas that are nice residential areas, because usually those are the calls that you're gonna make most of your money at. So, all right, guys, you guys take care. I gotta put on my gloves. And I'm pretty sure you guys during this pandemic have booties and gloves and masks and all that stuff. Just make sure you stay safe out here, because you never know. I mean, everybody has their own thoughts about this whole virus thing, but at the end of the day, this is our job, and our job is to make people feel safe in their homes. So I'm sure you guys all know that, but sometimes you got to say some stuff. But you guys take it easy, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.